Behind the scenes. Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So today's video we're going to do some rose, some pink Peggy Martin rose cuttings and some crepe myrtle cuttings. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Help us get to 500 subscribers, 1,000, and then we're going to go all the way to 1,000,000. And so if you have any questions about what we're doing today, make sure to drop them in the comment section. And as soon as the video's over, don't forget to go check out some of our other content. Appreciate it, everybody. Here we go. Everybody, that's going to do it for today's video. So that was me doing my white, red, and purple crepe myrtles, all the cuttings, and getting them in sand so they can start rooting. And then I just finished up the last ones were my pink Peggy Martin roses. They're a climbing rose. And so I got about 14 or 15 cuttings out of what I brought up here. So hopefully everything produces roots. Probably won't happen, but hopefully at least half of them do. And then I can start planting those in the ground and just multiplying my existing plants. And I'll be able to take more and more cuttings off of the more plants that I have. So if you have questions about what I did today, make sure to drop them in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe, and now go check out some of the other content. Appreciate it, everybody. Bigfoot out.